Hey, what is going on, guys? What is happening, YouTube? Good morning, everybody. Got some fantastic news to share with you guys today, and this will be especially exciting to my fellow Steemians, those of you guys also on Steemit. So as of about 3:30 this morning, Chicago time, Binance, the largest, most popular, and fastest growing cryptocurrency exchange, has recently added Steem to its platform. So as you can see here, we're on the trading page right here. And if I type in Steem, we have a Steem Bitcoin pair. We have a Steem Ethereum pair. And this is actually really cool because I know myself and probably a lot of you guys as well have kind of moved over to trading Ethereum pairs instead of Bitcoin pairs. And not every crypto is available in an Ethereum pair or a BNB pair. So I thought it was really cool that we have an Ethereum pair here, and then we also have a BNB pair. There's no USDT pair, although I've never really used that one as well. So yeah, as of about 4 hours ago, Binance List Steem. Steem BNB pairs, Steem Bitcoin pairs, and Steem Ethereum trading pairs are now available on Binance for trading. You can start depositing Steem at this page here, and then they have a little about page that kind of explains Steem a little bit. So Steem is a cryptocurrency used to power the platform Steemit, an incentivized blockchain social media platform where users can share information, videos, opinions, photographs, and more. Users create and curate content on Steemit just like other social news platforms and get rewarded in Steem for their work. Steem is the first cryptocurrency that attempts to accurately and transparently award unbounded number of individuals who make subjective contributions to its community. Steem is a fundamental unit of account on the Steem blockchain. So I think Steem really doesn't get enough credit for what it is. You know, we have a lot of projects in like the top 10 market cap, top 20, even top 50, like that aren't even live projects, don't have strong communities, you know, all this type of stuff. Steemit, been around for a couple of years. Steemit has a very, very strong community. I mean, just go to steemit.com and check it out. There's people posting, people commenting, people sharing content. And one of the cool things is Steemit is more than just Steemit. Steemit also has other platforms or applications, whatever you want to call them, that run on top of the Steem blockchain, such as DTube, which is kind of like a YouTube clone, but without censorship. DTube is really cool. I've heard there's something called DLive coming out, which is basically going to be like live streaming on the Steem blockchain. And we also have Steepshot. Steepshot's a really kind of cool phone app on your phone, and it's basically an Instagram clone. Whatever you do on there will post to your Steemit account. So yeah, I mean, Steemit has numerous platforms built on it. We also have like other iterations of Steemit that you can view Steemit on. Things like ChainBB, which is Steemit, but kind of in a little bit of a different format and kind of serves the content to you a little bit differently. But yeah, I mean, having all these platforms as well as a strong community on top of a cryptocurrency like Steem, which can be sent nearly instantly and without fees. I mean, I really think Steem should get a lot more credit than it gets. And I think part of the reason it hasn't, I mean, Steem's seen a lot of growth over the past few months. I mean, we can come right here and look at the charts. Let's look at the chart for like the last 3 months. So as you can see here, Steem's had a lot of growth, but I think what's kind of been holding it back, and I'm not going to say Steemit is perfect. There are some issues in there. Some people think whales have too much power, et cetera, et cetera. But if you get on there and stay on there and stay consistent, you can make some money. You can earn some Steem. And up until now, like, you know, there's 11 exchanges that carry, actually, I shouldn't even say that. There's 7 exchanges that carried Steem up until now, but like, you know, I've never really used Open Ledger. I would say Poloniex and Bittrex were kind of the only like larger, more reputable, some of the more common ones that people are using. I think most people, at least in the US, who are trading alts, look to like what Bittrex, Binance, Poloniex, Kraken, and maybe some old school people like Bitfinex. So I think getting Steem added to Binance, which is kind of right now probably the most popular cryptocurrency exchange, is going to be really, really good for the value of Steem. We see a lot of coins, once they hit Binance, they catch a little bump, and people have been wanting this to happen for a long time. Here's actually a post on Steemit from about 3 months ago. Why don't we try to get Steem listed on Binance Exchange through the community coin vote? As a community, we should have more than enough people to win the voting process and open up Steem to Asian markets. So that's another big thing, is like Poloniex and Bittrex are US markets. So by putting it on Binance, we open it up to a whole nother segment of the world, and in many ways, a segment of the world that's kind of most active in cryptocurrency, the Asian markets. So for anybody who doesn't know, Binance actually has like a community coin of the month contest, and how it works or what it is each month people can vote for, oh, here it is right here. each month people can vote for a coin, and whichever coin gets the most votes, not only does it get to go on Binance, but it gets to go on Binance without paying a listing fee. So last month for January, Raiblocks had won. I think we probably will see Raiblocks hitting Binance pretty soon. So for anybody who hadn't heard, Raiblocks actually rebranded, I think yesterday, to Nano. I think they've kind of changed up their wallet and things like that. And this was actually announced about 23 days ago. So I know myself and a lot of other people included have been kind of waiting for Raiblocks to hit Binance. Because before, Raiblocks wasn't even available on like a Bittrex or Poloniex. You had to go to like a KuCoin or a BitGrail, which BitGrail has kind of their own issues going on right now. But you had to go to one of those exchanges to actually buy Raiblocks. So now that it's going to hit kind of a mainstream exchange that a lot of people are on, I think a lot of us are anticipating some growth there, but I think maybe that's what Binance was waiting for on listing the coin. Like, why list it as Raiblocks and then a week later have to rebrand it as Nano? So I think maybe they were waiting for this. Maybe we'll see Raiblocks, or I guess now Nano, hit Binance here in the next coming days. I wouldn't be surprised. But yeah, what's kind of cool is Steem got added to Binance. It didn't even have to win the community coin of the month. They just got listed. And it's basically just another alternative. You know, I'm very bullish on Steem right now. I'm kind of keeping all my Steem in my account. But, you know, if you ever want to sell some off, or if you ever want to use some Steem to buy some Stellar Lumens or some Lisk or whatever else, here we have just another option of another place that you can sell it to, because before, at least me personally, I was kind of limited to Bittrex. So nice to have another option. Binance has quickly become one of my favorite exchanges. For anybody who doesn't have a Binance account, I will drop my affiliate link to Binance in the description box below. If you don't have an account, if you want to help me out, if you want to support the channel, sign up using my link and I get 20% of your trading fees. It's not a ton, but every little bit helps. But yeah, I'll take you guys over to my Steemit here. Let me move myself up here. Let's see. So if we go to my wallet, we got a little bit of rewards there. We'll redeem those. So yeah, you know, right now I got 3.275 Steem. I got 1.624 Steem dollars, and my Steem power is up to 2,082. So it's kind of funny. A couple weeks ago, I'd kind of gotten frustrated with Steem, and I actually started a power down and was going to start taking some cash out. I have put some of my own money into Steemit, or I should say into Steem, and powered up on Steemit. And I had actually just started a power down. I kind of got frustrated with the price being stuck really low. And as soon as I did that, like, Steem shot through the roof, and so did Steem back dollars. So I immediately canceled that power down, and ever since I've just been dumping everything back into Steem power, which gives my Steem account more power, and in turn helps me earn more money. And I was going to try to start getting involved in more of these, like, minnow boosters and delegating power and all this other type of stuff. But yeah, just really excited to see this news. So again, on a day that it looks like Bitcoin has fallen even further, 9,100. If Bitcoin crosses 9,000, I think we're in for a rocky ride. I think we could go down to maybe even like 7,300, something like that. I hate to give up on Bitcoin at this point. You know, I've sat on my Bitcoin for so long. I definitely am kicking myself for not selling at 19,000 or 17,000 or 16,000, or even more recently on the bump up. But yeah, there's a lot of coins that I've just been sitting on for a long time that I have a hard time selling. I know as soon as I sell them, they're going to moon. I'm kind of wondering if we're seeing kind of a flippening happening here, where like Ethereum is going to start to take over more market cap than Bitcoin. And it does look like things are trending that way, but Bitcoin does have the Lightning Network coming out. Segwit is gaining adoption, so, you know, hopefully Bitcoin can turn things around. We'll see what the price does today. I have a feeling it might continue to go down today and get hit pretty hard overnight. I actually have a Bitcoin meetup that I'm going to be going to tonight, so I'll make a video kind of reporting back on you know, kind of how that goes, anything new I learned there, etc. But yeah, for now, guys, something for you guys to be excited about. Binance List Steem. Very, very cool. Let me know your thoughts. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Smash that like button. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will catch you guys on the next one.